good morning or afternoon, depending on where and when or why you are watching this. I'm your host, Chase Majerus, and this is your economic update on This Week Today, brought to you by Synergy One Lending. Let's start this up. Under the heading of shocking, not really shocking news, it seems like new home prices will see another intensification in price. No, I'm not talking about the usual suspects, rising mortgage rates, low inventory, or Kaiser Soze. I'm talking about soaring costs for building materials. Lumber, plumbing, concrete, and insulation are just some of the materials that are up 5.1% in March from a year earlier, which is the biggest annual advance in nearly 8 years. So why the jump? Simply put, inflationary pressure on commodities. This is another example of how low inventory is affecting homeownership as well. The Federal Reserve met and announced that even with continued economic growth alongside the labor market, it will not raise rates following last week's meeting. While this isn't exactly surprising, Goldman Sachs chief economist Jan Hatzius explained that the company forecasts the FOMC will continue to raise interest rates once each quarter until 2019. The committee also said that inflation has moved close to 2%. The common vibe everyone seems to be getting from this forecast is that it's on the bullish side, which makes sense because most experts, including members of the FOMC, expect 2 or 3 rate hikes each year. It's time for your economic calendar update, which is looking pretty boring, actually. We'll see a consumer credit announcement today, which, for those that don't know, growth in consumer credit can hold positive or negative implications for the economy and markets. Well, depending on if people are borrowing within their means or not. Wednesday, we'll see if mortgage applications rise during this traditional home buying season. And on Friday, we'll see import and export indexes, which are a valuable gauge of inflation, which can lead to higher interest rates, which is bad news for stocks. But of course, you already knew that. That wraps things up on This Week Today. If you're looking to be a homeowner, check out Synergy One on social media or head to s1lending.com and get pre-approved online.
On the line.
You take a photo, you put it out there on the line.
Online?
On the line.
Online.
On the line.
When you say on the line, you mean online?
Yeah.
I'm your host, Chase Majerus. You can stalk me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Don't be afraid to chat me up. I love talking to you guys. Have an awesome week, everyone.